Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Now it's the winter season here in Canada, and there's a lot of salt. And I'm gonna just show you right here. There's a lot of salt here that I'm gonna try to remove and do the video for you guys. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna just guide you through the process how you do that. And let's get into it. Now, in order to do this task, you're gonna need hot water. So here is the hot water and a mixture with 50% vinegar, 50% hot water. You'll need a brush, so I'm using a toothbrush, some towel which you're gonna throw, the vacuum, and then the vinyl shine, for the winter mats. Okay, now let's take you back and start doing it. So you're gonna vacuum first. It's already much better. So I just want to take you here, see it's already much better after I vacuum. And this is the parts here that you're gonna remove. Okay, so here we have the vinegar and hot water, and I got my brush. And so there's some salt here. So this is what's gonna happen. You got some vinegar, and you're gonna start going like this. Wow. I feel the smell. There's a little bit of salt in there. Wow. It's already starting to look much better. Okay. Yeah, so I just cleaned the carpet here, and I'm gonna again vacuum. And let's go quickly and show you the results. And this looks beautiful, I think. So I'm gonna just take you through the little process here, and I'm gonna show you the results. A little bit more left here, but I'm pretty pleased. And there you go. Here, pretty much done. A little bit more left to do. And now I'm gonna come back and dress the floor mat. Okay, so now I'm taking you to the driver's side, and I'm gonna just show you the mess. And what you see is what you get. Again, we got the vacuum here that we're gonna use to vacuum all the mess. And then you're gonna start like this. Again, here we go. Beautiful. Okay, so I'll let you see the results when I'm almost done. See, I have the this thing here. And you can now see the results. It's beautiful here. And then the gas pedal right here, nice and clean. And this is it. I hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and I'm gonna also now tire shine, and then you'll see it for the final step. Okay, so now I'm applying some vinyl shine. Yeah, I'll leave it here, and I'm gonna just show you. You're gonna just work it in. You're gonna just work it in right now. This is gonna give you lots of protection for the winter. And then this is the final product. I'm gonna just take you through the little step. Now this could also be cleaned a bit, but I left it out, and here you go. Pretty decent. There you go. I hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.